something that Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, clearly, I'm feeling a lot better. It does help to film the intro of the video after I finish doing my makeup. So for today's video, I just did like a voiceover makeup tutorial. And somehow my camera stopped recording. So here we go, let's go on with the video. Start with priming the face and rubbing it all in. I'm using 3 primers, or would you say 2? Using the ones that I mentioned in my travel makeup video. Then I'm going to take my YSL All Hours foundation, dot it all over my face, and use my foundation brush to blend it out. Now adding the Born This Way concealer to the places I want to brighten up my face and also under my eyes. Now I'm just going to add a filter to my face using my favorite e.l.f. powder all over. Bronze up the face using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Of course, you gotta add some nose contour. I kind of went a little ham. And when you go full glam, you have to bake. So baking the sides of my nose and the sides of my cheeks. And I'm actually going to add highlighter right now, and I'm using the super blinding Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Champagne. Throwing it back old school using the ABH Mod Ren, the first love of my life. And this is actually where I forgot that I didn't do my brows, and it threw me off, so I had to go back and do them. And now back to our regularly scheduled programming. Is that a thing? Is that what you're supposed to say? But I'm just blending this eyeshadow up and out. We're just going to deepen up the crease a little bit using a darker red from the same palette. Once you have that on there, you're going to blend that ish out. Take your time. And while you're blending, I just kind of go out towards the outside of my brow as well, just going for that winged look. Now here I'm just adding Primavera and creating a half cut crease. Nothing too sharp, but applying that shadow. It's kind of like a light white gold shade. Of course, you gotta go back and blend using one of the blending brushes. You can deepen it up a little bit if you have to. Just really going back, looking, and fine-tuning. Everybody's favorite part, my least favorite part, adding winged liner. I'm so bad at this. I don't know how. I used to do it every day. Alright, we're almost done, people. Curling my lashes, and then I'm going to tight line to make my lash line look a little fuller. Add some mascara. You don't need to go too crazy because we're going to add lashes in a second. Using a kind of deeper reddish blush here. Going a little heavy. You don't have to, but I just wanted to go a little heavy-handed. Alright, the most exciting part for me, I'm just going in with a red lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with a nude lip for funsies. I just think the mix of this was the perfect shade. This video was kind of all over the place, but I forgot to finish my lower lash line, so I'm just taking that red shade and blending it out pretty low, I would say. And then if you mess up, you can always take your powder and kind of blend out the harsh lines. Adding to my inner corner is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Champagne, just to tie in the whole look. And taking off this mascara that I got onto my eyelid, just let it dry and flick it off. Just touching up here what I flicked off, making sure both eyes look even. And of course, gotta add lashes to this dramatic look, so I'm adding my favorite lashes in Midnight. Alright, that is it for this look. You know, she cute or whatever. So, I mean, this look definitely had me feeling myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.